Hey there! Are you ready for an epic adventure in Egypt? In just 6 days, you can explore some of the most incredible sights this ancient land has to offer. Let's dive in. Day 1. Touchdown in Cairo. Start your journey by exploring the vibrant city of Cairo, where you can visit the iconic Pyramids of Giza, marvel at the Sphinx, and dive into the rich history of the Egyptian Museum. Day 2. Welcome to Aswan. Embark on a magical Nile River cruise. Relax and unwind as you sail along the lifeblood of Egypt, passing by picturesque villages, lush landscapes, and charming temples along the way. Explore the laid-back city of Aswan, where you can visit the stunning Philae Temple, take a felucca ride on the Nile, and witness the architectural marvel of the High Dam. Day 3. Visit the Temple of Kom-Ombo, where you will visit the unusual double temple dedicated to the crocodile god Sobek and the god Horus. Then late in the afternoon, visit the extraordinary Edfu Temple is considered to be the biggest and most preserved Greco-Roman temple, and on its walls are the most majestic tales ever created between 237 BC and 57 BC. Day 4 and 5, next stop Luxor. Immerse yourself in the wonders of the ancient city of Thebes, with visits to the Karnak Temple, Luxor Temple, and the awe-inspiring Valley of the Kings. Don't forget to take a hot air balloon ride for a bird's-eye view of this historical masterpiece. Day 6. Last but not least, unwind in the beautiful Red Sea resort town of Hurghada. Dive into crystal clear waters, soak up the sun on pristine beaches, and discover the vibrant marine life through snorkeling or diving adventures. And there you have it, folks. 6 days in Egypt packed with history, culture, and natural beauty. Start planning your Egyptian escapade today and create memories that will last a lifetime.